Okay guys, so we've just entered Balintawak entrance. Okay, so we're going all the way to Quezon City, Quezon Avenue. So we've entered the ramp at exactly 5:57 in the afternoon. So let's see how fast is this lane going all the way. We'll be avoiding traffic along A. Bonifacio, along Sergeant Rivera, and along Araneta Avenue, and let's see how fast. So we're limited to just 60 kilometers per hour, and yeah, I'm right now driving at around 60, and the car in front of me is quite a bit slow, but he's also running at 60. So I'm not quite sure where we can hit 80 here on this Skyway E2, but yep, it's gonna be hard to overtake since we're both at 60. So okay, we got a clear view right now. So we just overtook the high ace. Probably he went down to 50 or 40. So right now it's a sharp curve over here, so yeah, better be careful, especially when you're driving at night. And where could we be right now? So we just crossed C3, and here is Sergeant Rivera, so it's quite fast. So we've just avoided all the traffic along A. Bonifacio, so yeah, it's quite fast. So it just took us around 4 minutes from Balintawak exit all the way to Sergeant Rivera. So right now we should be approaching Araneta Avenue in just a bit. So to be honest with you, I just really can't go fast even if I wanted to. We're just limited to 60. So Quezon Avenue is just 1 kilometer ahead based on the signboard, which is so small. And yeah, we should be descending in a few. So based on what I see, underneath should be Araneta Avenue. So there's the toll gate just ahead of us. So yeah, it's San Miguel infrastructure. And right now we'll be descending. So it's exactly 6:02 in the afternoon. So we just used up 5 minutes going from Balintawak exit all the way to Quezon Avenue, which is quite fast. And right now we're descending, keep left. Okay, so this is how fast this Skyway is. So Quezon Avenue in 200 meters ahead. Quezon Avenue in just 100 meters ahead. So they told us to keep left. So this is the exit. So at still exactly right now it's 6:03 in the afternoon. Okay, so we used up 6 minutes. Okay, so it's quite fast. Okay, so if you want to try this Skyway while it's still free, feel free to do so. And right now we are exiting, and we can see clearly it's roughly near Maria Clara Street along Araneta. So yep, it's quite a breeze. To be honest with you, 6 minutes, it's really fast. So how much they would charge in the future, we still don't know, but as far as I'm concerned, it's fast. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click that bell icon so you don't miss future reviews or travels here at my channel. So I hope to see you in the next one.